My name is Manoj Kumaram. I am from Final Year BTech Energy and Environmental Engineering. So this has been good for us because we are going to face so many interviews in the upcoming life journey. And to make a point on this, we had a sound knowledge on resume building, and also we had some good knowledge on group discussions. We had learned many things like what is the role should be taken in a group discussion, and also how to pinpoint a resume so that you can get filtered in a very easy manner.
So the sessions handled were really amazing. For example, Joseph sir, his communication was really great. The way he spoke, the confidence level and everything, we quite got confident about that.
This is one of the ice-breaking session as we have tightly structured in our schedule. So it was one of the breaking session. My favorite part was GD which they have conducted. It was a beautiful interaction that we had, and also learned a lot, many tips that we have to do in the interview, including body language, what are the things have to be done in the interviews.
Have fun with our friends. The fun was also very objective. We realized how important the communication plays a very important role. So the sessions were also very nice.